Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon iced tea. Start by boiling water and steeping double-strength black tea for 5 to 7 minutes to concentrate flavor. While the tea is hot, stir in sugar or honey to taste so it dissolves fully. Add freshly squeezed lemon juice and a pinch of salt to boost brightness. Cool to room temperature, chill in the fridge, and serve over plenty of ice. In this video, I will show how to make lemon iced tea. Measure 8 cups of water and choose quality black tea for a strong backbone. Prepare about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice from 3 to 4 lemons and have 1/3 to 1 cup of sweetener ready, depending on how sweet you like it. Keep ice on hand and optional garnishes like lemon slices and mint for a pretty finish. In this video, I will show how to make lemon iced tea. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during long kitchen sessions and survive endless washing. If you want great socks that outlast the competition, consider them a small upgrade that keeps you smiling while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make lemon iced tea. After steeping, remove the tea leaves and immediately stir in sugar so it melts evenly into the hot liquid. Add fresh lemon juice and a tiny pinch of salt to brighten the flavors, then let the tea cool to room temperature before chilling. For best texture, serve over lots of ice with lemon wheels and a sprig of mint for aroma and color.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.